You know when songs are just completely stuck in your head? That's me right now. Completely stuck in my head. I do not have my multi chat up. Now I do. Let's set a goal. Okay. Let's aim for 5. These itty bitty ones. Got 2 hours. Let's see. Why are we not up? Hey Kobe, what up? How's it going? Are you ready for today? Okay. Everything's up. Everything's working. I hope / I think. Nope, not yet. Now. Now it is. Okay. Okay. Damn. This was a good trade. Let's see now what today has in store for us, shall we? Okay, this can go back that way. Except we have not used it yet. I'll just take note of it. We have liquidity over... Stop that. There. Liquidity over there. Yeah, right. Nope. Where? There. Cool. There's that. Shoot. Ooh, we have relative equal lows going on around here as well. And here is New York high. And here's Asia high. I think. Yep. Hey! Jose, what's up? How's it going? Kiko, no, I've literally just popped onto the charts now. And Renslow, what up? Are we all ready, steady for this day? Kiko, have you had any trades yet? How about you, Jose? How's it looking for you today? Make sure, there we go. Everything good. Robert, what? Hey, Scalper, how you doing? Trade with Akash. Oh no, sorry, I missed them. What? Akash, send them again. Sorry, I missed them. I can't go. It's a long story. I can't see what they said. Rensler? Amazing. Rensler, have you liked the stream already? Just, you know, for the good lucksies. Seeming as it worked so well yesterday. Relative equal highs, and for now, here's Asia low. Okay, so here's New York high. Asia high. I should probably like 42. So here's New York low. And cool, I already marked out London's low yesterday. Took out London high, and so far this is Asia low. Let's see if it continues to be Asia low. Okay. I need to mark out things on ES, but let me quickly see something. Solly, are you ready to rumble? I'm ready to rumble. Yes, up 303, locked out for the day. Damn, Kiko, look at you go. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. Hey Ed, welcome back. Oh, nothing, just said good afternoon. Hi Akash, how are you doing? Good afternoon to you. Good morning to everyone else, / good evening to those that are either getting ready for bed or are, you know, chilling in the middle of the night. Traded the cash. The top one is a broker or prop. Prop? Yeah? Prop? Hey, some guy. Hey, some guy, how's it going? Happy Tuesday, yeah. Happy Tuesday. How's it going? You still in that trade, hey? Or has it hit TP? Send me 50k and I'll invest it for you. Ah! Okay. Hey, Boom, what's up? Hell yeah, Kobe. This community is the #1 community. You know, from a non-biased perspective at all. Ursula? William? Hi. How's it going? How are you? Tesla wrecked while the driver was watching a movie. You should have seen the trailer. Ah, Skeletor. Good morning. How are you doing? There's a Nigerian prince you'd like me to meet. I mean, I know the king and queen of Uganda, so I think that's pretty cool. Jose? Some guy, all good, just getting ready for the day job. Oh, nice. I'm good. I'm good. I did not sleep well last night, but I feel happy today. Like, I'm not in a bad mood. I didn't wake up in a bad mood. I didn't sleep well for some reason. Very annoying. Oh well. Kobe, another day, another dollar. I like that. I like that. People pizza. Sorry. I don't know. Still in that trade. TP1 hit and stop loss to break even. Ooh! I'm sorry, what? Did you just say a 30R? 30, like 30. Like bigger than my age. 30. Gosh, exactly. I'm like, no. Use it how to calculate correct lot size for now as 100 and forks. Well, I mean, what forks are you doing? I'm live. Yellow, how you doing? They call me Mellow Yellow. Okay. Okay, feeble. Damn, that sucks for you, bro. Trader? Pardon? What? Hope you feel better than the night. Yeah. Yeah. Rainsa, how you doing? 4-hour low is at 102k, so that's the target. Shoot for the stars, you might hit the moon. I mean, some guy, that's valid. That is valid. Do you have a trailing stop loss, or what's the plan? Are you just gonna keep moving your stop to the wings? CB, what up? CFG marker 1.19 equals 1. There we go. Thanks, Akash. My coffee's too hot to drink right now, but I really want to take a sip of coffee, but I can't take a sip of coffee. Fine. Okay, guys, what do we think's gonna happen today? Let's check this out on the 15-minute. How does... Make a note of this point here. There we go. Slowly down. Are we just coming to fill this gap? Maybe pop into this order block, or did it fill the gap and now it's gonna go up? Well, I mean, still bullish. Let's check the 1 hour. Shoo, shoo, I know. Huh. The 1 hour's not ideal, is it? Oh well. Let's. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what today brings. Little tap into view app going back down. It's a header for the Asia lows. Oh, I've missed a bunch of messages. My bad. Rensler just got home 2 hours ago. Night shifts are hectic. No, Rensler. Nah, that sucks. That sucks. I'm so sorry. I've never had to do a night shift, but I can imagine. Like, just thinking of it makes me tired. Oh my goodness, I don't know how you do it. And now, oh my word, I'm gonna start crying. So sad. No, I'm joking. It's just because I yawned. Anyways, Gentleman W, what up? How's it going? Got my coffee. We'll check some quick positions, then we'll take care of some errands. Ah, High Life. That's amazing. Weather here is overcast and a little bit meh, but it's perfect for riding. So actually, I'm not gonna complain. It's better than like 30 degrees. No trail stop is just staying at break even. Some guy, yeah, you don't have drawdown, do you? Right. Gentleman W, how am I doing? I'm doing great. How are you doing? How's everyone doing? Trader Rensler, I don't blame you. Now it's 12:40 p.m. and I woke up at 3:05 a.m. today. Yeah, gosh damn, go to sleep. Damn, you need... Sleep is good, right? Hey! Ari, what's up? I'm on YouTube making new videos on YouTube related to trading. Trader Bottom? Sure I can. Ariat, what time is it? Ari, why did I call you Ariat? Sorry, that's a horse riding brand. Aria, oh, good. How's your afternoon going? Michael, hey yo, how you doing? How you doing? Snippix, I have not looked at the CS market, sorry. From Bali, that's so cool. That's so... CBS Birds, hello. How are you doing? How's it going? Possible pullback down and then continuation looks like. Yeah, Renz, I think it might be headed towards the Asia lows. And then potentially, like you said, a continuation back up. Maybe a 3 tap here and then it goes up. Maximilian, what up from Serbia? Hi, from South Africa. How's it going? If it's you sleep at night just thinking about XRP, does your brain not get like burnt out? Just curious. Jose, let's see. We sits and we waits until we have an A+ setup, right? Before that, it's not worth it. Thanks, some guy. Okay, you heard it from some guy, not from me. He said if you forget to like the stream, your trades will be losses. And he doesn't make the rule. You know, I'm just here to relay the message. Anyways. Oh, Rensler, probably a good idea. Shame, do you have to work night shift again tonight? That really sucks. Words of papers. I'm from South Africa. XRP is your baby. Damn. Hey, hey David, how's it going? I feel like I know that reference, but I don't know. Where's that reference from? What movie is it? Because as I read it, I was saying it in my head, but I don't even know what movie it's from. course. Yeah, I'm from South Africa. Where are you from, Ursula? Maximilian, come to Serbia. It's the best country and it's very safe. I mean, maybe one day. Like I said, I would love to travel one day. It's on the list of things to do one day when I'm big and have money. Well, no, let's rephrase this. One day when I'm big, I have money and freedom to be able to travel, right? I think let's use the correct words here. Catching with Kai, you have a question? What's up? Skeletor? That's amazing. I'm saving that one. I have not heard that before. That is freaking brilliant. I'm gonna save it. Where's my notes? That was brilliant, Skeletor. I want to say it's one of my favorites, but every day you come up with new ones that I'm like, that's the best. The radio from... Ah. There we go. Damn, Rinsler. Okay, well, I mean... At least you get some sleep. No, how do you cope? That's not enough sleep. You need more sleep than that, don't you? How many hours do you get, Rinsler? Off to the day job. Trade safe. Thanks, some guy. Enjoy. I hope work is amazing today. Abel, that's cool. Currently, Donald Tariff not doing good with South Africa. No, but me. South Africa, Bloemfontein. Oh, cool. KZN the side. I think Knox is also Bloemfontein area. Huh. There's a few South Africans that are part of this community, which is amazing. I mean, yeah, there's a few. It's so cool. Hey, Focus. I'm good. How are you doing, my man? Maximilian? No, not so much investing. I'm day trading. Do you do investing, Maximilian? Luvit, your brain has been taken over. I see that. Because it's valid. Flip. Like when all these people are like, oh, I'm doing this and this and this and this and oh, I freaking shop at Woolworths every week and buy whatever I want. I'm like, that must be nice. Woolworths is so expensive. I can't do it. Sorry, Woolworths is specifically for the South African people. They know Woolworths be expensive. 3 higher lows, let's go. Hey Stangham, how you doing? Mike, can you please add a ticket to the screen saying you're from video on 26 so that you don't have to repeat yourself 22 times in this stream? Yeah, but you know what? It gives me something to talk about, I guess. But it's not the worst idea. I would think a proudly South African sticker somewhere here would be pretty cool. I don't know if I'm allowed to do that though, but... Expect some range type of it. No, Rip. Also, good morning, Rip. How are you doing? Okay, David. I'm invested now. Tell me. Say Woolworths in Australia also? Oh, damn, look at that. Okay. Is it super expensive in Australia? Sorry, I read your message there. Andrew Ted says sleep is for losers. Only booze is real damn focus. Are you good? Do we need to have a chat or something? Some people take naps in between breakdowns at work. Not me though. Yeah, no, I don't know how you cope. Oh, you go, Focus. You go. Focus, you're so sweet. Thank you. I mean, so far this is not looking oopa duper promising, is this? I say that, let's see. But I'm gonna be strict like I was yesterday. For those of you that didn't see yesterday, I mean, you saw I didn't take 2 trades during London yesterday because one had just swept liquidity and the second one was not an A+ setup. And then finally, literally at the end of my stream yesterday during the New York session, I had my A+ setup and I was able to take my trade. And it was good. It was a win. So yeah, patience pays. It's just... it just takes patience. Let's see if this would have been a win. I saw it a little bit late. I'm also not trusting this range. It's not worth trading in the chop. Would this even be A+? Not really. This would be... no, this would be like an A setup, I guess. Maybe a B. Call it a B setup. Hey Logan, don't worry. I'm actually South African, by the way. Trade Delicious, thank you. How's it going, Trade Delicious? How's it, yeah. How's the traveling trading going, by the way? Scalper, valid. Do I export coffee for my subscribers? My country is famous for coffee export. No? Would anyone want coffee? Who wants some coffee? You guys can have a sip. It's really good. To be fair, coffee can be freaking expensive. Ursula, how did I get into ICT? So I'm not exclusively ICT, just in case everyone's hoping for that. So I use some ICT and SMC concepts, and yeah, how I got into it, it was some of the first basics I learned. Was like the fair value gaps, the order blocks, the VWAP, you know, all of those that are ICT and SMC concepts. And those are my confluences. Yeah. Mike, can you make money? I mean, anyone can make money. Just depends on what you do and how you do it. David, you lie. That did not work. You lie, that worked. No, I call BS, David. You cannot tell me that worked. Hey Sasha, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, no, David, it's hilarious. Don't get me wrong. You know, it's like my whole thing of going up to someone and saying, "Do you feel this? Do you know what this is?" Girlfriend material. I think it's so lame, but it's super funny. Or my one friend has a thing where they have a drink and it has ice in it, and they take an ice cube out, they put it on the table and they smash, and they go, "Now that the ice is broken." I think that one's pretty good. Anyways. Mike, have I ever dated a bald man? No. No. Sorry. Not that I can think of. Hey, Christian, what's up? Oh, sorry. Silver Bullet Trader, what up? How are you doing? Is it Irish coffee? Focus, I wish. I'm actually good. When it comes to drinking the adult juice, I'm pretty good. I try not to drink it that often. Sasha, did I buy? No. I'm not gonna get into any of these trades until I have proper confirmation. I'm really working on my patience and managing my FOMO and wanting to just jump in a trade. This, I would have been looking for a sell. So this would have looked like this, but I'm not in this trade. Sorry, guys. I'm waiting for proper confirmation, proper market conditions that work with my setup. Because, you know, I would really enjoy having more winning trades. That would be ideal. Sasha, you think this is gonna break out? Why? And Lewis, you prefer beer. You really should try Black Label. R23 shop, have I tried trading Forex? I have not. Yeah, I have not, sorry. I take my coffee black? Yeah, Rensler, I do. I don't know why. I've just always preferred it. Asia mode is 26002. Okay. Rip, where was that? Let me label this. Noted. Yeah, see, so that would have straight away been a loss. As like I said, this was not an A+ setup, which is why I did not take it. And we're in a little bit of a range going on here, so it's not ideal for my setup. It's why I'm half paying attention to the market. I need proper conditions for me to trade, or else I guess we sit and we wait for something good. Wavy, thanks for the sub, by the way. Stangham, amazing. David, damn. Are you sure you want to be in that town? Flip. Listen, small towns are terrifying. I'm assuming it's a small town. David, is it a small town? Ooh, okay. And then, good luck. Good luck. You'll donate 500 if it won't break resistance. Bet. Okay. Bring it on, Sasha. When do you think it'll break resistance? Wait. Yeah, that's a bit of a cheeky one because when? It will eventually break resistance. You have to have at least a timeline. A great spot for continuation breakout. Okay. Again, Sasha, how long? How long do you think until it breaks out? What do you think of moves in US 100? BC1, BC. It's been interesting. It's been interesting. Ivan, what up? Mike, what's up? Why are you laughing at me? Christian, you know what? I can't complain. I can't complain. It's been good. It's, yeah. We're going one day at a time. One lesson at a time. I'm trying so hard with the discipline and the patience. I think it's been my most recent lesson. It's been the most difficult lesson because, oh my gosh, it do be difficult. Texas? Yo, what up? How you doing? Saying trend is up. Why are you thinking short trades? Stangham, I don't even know. That's a valid question. I was looking at something. Don't ask me what. Thought potentially a bounce off VWAP, maybe get a bit of a bigger move. Oh, you know what I was thinking? I'm thinking it's gonna come take out Asia low before it continues up. See, that's why if you have something in mind, sometimes it can really affect your trades because you have this bias. So my brain is going, it has to take out Asia low. It does not have to, but that's what my brain was telling me. And so I went, shorts look good. Kobe, no, what happened? Abdullah, hi. Last week for you was a banger, but this week has started off pretty rough. You know what, Kobe, yeah, it happens all the time. John, hi. All this is a pullback. Luvit, that's not great, is it? Ivan, what's interesting? Watching this consolidation. David, you're full of veterans and drug. That's... Yeah. Yeah. Break resistance. Oh. Sasha, so are you asking time frame? Because I'm on the 1 minute. Or if you're asking exactly where the time is right now, it's 9:30 a.m. for me, because I'm in South Africa, but I'm on the 1 minute chart. But I can look at a different chart. Sorry, I'm being very slow with reading today. Justin, don't do drugs, period. That's valid. That is very valid. One of your dad. Anyways, do I think 3i Atlas is going to influence the market? I have no idea. Sorry. Anyone have any ideas on that one? 30 minutes max. I mean, yeah, 30 minutes. I feel like a lot will happen in 30 minutes, but let's see. So it's 9:30. Let's see at 10 what happens, if it's broken out or not. Let's do this, Sasha. Christian, yeah, no, that's exactly it. It's always part of the trading experience. You're gonna have ups and downs. Abongile Sisulu, what's up? How are you? How are you doing? Scalper, is this what you were talking about? Hi, Greg. I'm from South Africa. Thank you. Am I trading fundamentals? Yes. I think. Yeah. Long way to go, son. Yeah. I feel like that there's not a quick way. There's never a quick way. Anyone that says there's a quick way to learn things or get rich or any of that, they're lying. They are lying. It's like if people say they have 100% success rate on their trading. I call BS. Only true trader, what up? Chicago, I'm looking at the NASDAQ futures. Ooh! Only true trader? Amazing. What did you get? Okay, in terms of time, the next... Okay, Sasha, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see. Hey! Hey from Macedonia. Hi. That's cool. Rensler, big move coming up today, likely up. If it's Greek, what? Scalper, yeah. I had one pip at $1,000 keeping in mind though. Damn, Sasha! How long have you been trading for now? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, am I a technical trader? What's the... Okay, okay. So Sasha, I went to sleep and had no idea what profit... David, don't come on here spreading lies. People are going to start running away. They're going to be like, oh my goodness. Scalper, quick way is to get home and burn the money. I mean, yeah, 100% Scalper. Leave no evidence. Your trades are 100% win rate so far this year, believe it or not. On options, okay. I have question marks, a lot of them. What strategy do you use? Nice little long, nothing crazy though. Only true trader, a win's a win. Well done. That's awesome. Oh, dagnabbit. Let's see if this would have been a 4R trade. So if I'd entered at the 0.2, if I'd made it this, I say dagnabbit like I'm gonna do this. Maybe one day when I'm feeling brave, I'll give this a try. Let's make it 4R. 4R is... There's 4R. Let's see if this would have been a 4R trade. I don't know if it would. I'm just doing this out of curiosity. This might be headed back up. Only to trade a 2R up is awesome. 30 minutes. I told you when you should have bought it already. Ooh, some guy. Amazing. What snacks are you having? I'm kind of jealous. Snacks sound good. Do you keep past streams up? I can get evidence. I do, David. If you go into all, I have everything there. You guys can go back and check some of the first ever stream. Chaos? Disaster? Just terrible. Just terrible. Some of my first ever streams where I'm still figuring out trading. I didn't have a strategy that worked for me. I was basically just trading blind. It's shocking to watch. Maybe I need to go and make some like throwback videos of that, but it's... Wow. Looking back at it, it's just disgusting. Anyways. Exile Slain? What up? What is this? This is trading. Sasha, it's the hottest way to make an easy living. Leave no evidence. Play the volatility. Okay. Okay. How? Can't just come here teasing us and not give us details. Hey Freddy, keep eye on X seller. Okay, is it going up, down? Which way is it going? Oh no, David, 100%. It's why I don't know if I'll ever be able to take this. I don't know. I mean, it looks like it's gonna potentially be a win, which is awesome. I don't know if I'm brave enough to trade in the chop. It has screwed me so often before that I low-key have a little bit of a mental block about it. Yet I'm still dumb enough to sometimes try. Let's see if this would have been a win or not. Like I said, I don't think so, but... Leave no evidence, follow the trend, never go against it. Just a healthy little brekkie, cookies, brownies, and hot chocolate. Damn, some guy, where do you work? Can I go work there where there's those nummy snacks? Sasha, 17 years, damn, that's amazing. And out of curiosity, you don't have to answer, how long did it take you to become profitable? Yeah, good luck, David. Good luck. That's all I'm saying. Oh, limits taxes here, not great. Okay, no, we'll get to see if the next uptrend will not break. I'll stick to my... Okay, Sasha, you're very confident, and I really respect that. Is volume increasing? Not really. Wait, let's see this candle. Oh, sorry, you're on your phone. Sorry. It's slowly been going less and less, which means they might have a pump now. Let's see this volume. Sasha, your confidence is amazing. I have so much respect for that. Just saying. Market boring right now. Boom, banana. I don't know what to try. Hey, here we go, Sasha. Let's see. Tomorrow and Thursday are gonna be crazy. Why do you say that, Boom? Just because it's super choppy right now? Okay, was a little spike there, Sasha. Let's see. Trozan, what up? David, you think the 15-minute looks much cleaner? Let's check out the 15-minute. Oh, it does. Okay, it does look a little bit better on the 15-minute. But see, this is why I potentially thought it might be coming back down a little bit further before it pops back up. I mean, I thought it might want to pop into this order block. Please take out this low and then go back up. That's why I had that little bit of a short bias. Okay, Sasha, there was a spike here. And now it's... Some guy had to buy these snacks. They don't like us enough to provide these. Oh, that's a pallet. Oh, some guy, yeah, sugary. Whoop, here we go. Let's see, Sasha. Let's see if it breaks out. Hey, young fur beats. How are you? Where you been? How's it going? Dean, so I'm not trading a pair, sorry, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. Daz, I've only ever met one person who was consistently profitable. Who was it, Daz? Day trading is not profitable long term. You don't think so? Why? I'm sorry, what? Did you just say, will I yodel? I don't know how to yodel. How does one even yodel? Curtis, yes I am, by the way. Now being asked to yodel. I mean, I can try my best impression, which will be beyond embarrassing for me. I'm just saying. But Sasha, apparently that's what you want. Oh my goodness. Much better levels taken on the 15. Support is way too strong already. Frozen. I've been thinking about it. I'm not 100% sure yet though. Like, I try and keep it simple because sometimes my brain likes to overthink things. Like making bets where I potentially have to yodel. Oliver, thank you. Sasha, I'm not in this trade. I was looking at... So the previous trade, which would have been a loss, I was looking at, if I'd entered at the 0.2 level where my freaking stupid VWAP was. Past tense. Sorry, my VWAP drives me crazy, but anyways, I'm not shorting. I put this up out of curiosity. Leave no evidence, trying to read the market. It's a false game. Son, big drop, big players entering the market, market getting fast drop, and execution. Okay, sir. Okay, son. Koi's Tommy. You sub. Thank you. 2.5 years. Oh, well, 1 year to break even, I guess. Okay, cool. That makes me feel a little bit better. Yeah, Curtis, I was about to say, I know some people where this is their job. This is all they do. So surely it must be profitable, else they wouldn't do it. Right? Hey, Thug Life. Never trade on emotion. No. That is really true. Emotion, not worth it. Just become an emotionless robot. See the confirmations you want to take the trade. If this, then that is not. Some guy, nice. Oh no. Stay in range. Stay in range. I don't want to yodel. No. No, wait. Actually, you wanted it to break upwards, didn't you, Ryan? You thought it would break upwards. How great to sub to. You seem a nice person. You came across pretty. Oh, thanks, Curtis. Yeah, no. I try to be as honest as possible. So, if you guys have any questions, shoot. If you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask. I'm very open about things. Like, I'm not profitable yet. I've only been trading since April. I'm still figuring a lot of things out. The main thing I'm trying to do now is work on the mental side of trading. Specifically the patience and the discipline on not letting FOMO win. FOMO used to kick my ass, for lack of a better word. Ah, young folk, no, why can't you sleep? What's up? Israel, what's my win rate? I saw the other day it's at 59%. I was like, that doesn't seem quite right. Backtesting, I would say it's 45% win rate, but it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy, so it's good. Hey, Diamante, see? Diamante's job. We're still in range, I'm just saying. Okay. Having other income helps, but I trade short term to reinvest long term. And live off interest and other fixed incomes. Nice, Diamante. Also, hi, Diamante. You've been awfully quiet. How are you feeling after last week, by the way? RX, that was nice, nice. With patience it is, and if you don't do 1,000 trades an hour or just trade volatility, and you have good enough capital, you can absolutely be profitable. Yeah, 100%, Sasha, and that's what I'm trying to learn. I'm really trying to learn the be patient, don't take like 20 trades in a day, wait for your A+ setup. If it doesn't arrive, I have to remind myself I'm a day trader, not an everyday trader. I have to repeat that to myself quite often. You know, else FOMO gets the best of me. Fine. I think at the end of the day, you can be profitable if you are trading, not gambling. Does that make sense? I feel like there is a difference. Is blackjack a safe investment? Some guy, nothing. I mean, to be fair, nothing in life is 100%. But if it wasn't possible to be profitable long term, myself and all the profitable traders I know wouldn't be doing what we do. Yeah, that's my argument too, is that surely some people would then not be carrying on after 30 years. Why would you proceed to do something that's not benefiting you in some way or another? Oh, okay. Diamante's back for, I want to say revenge, but Max, what up? Oh, thank you. Very, very sweet. Have a beautiful day. Thanks, you. How's the trading going? I see you had 2 wins. Well done. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. I'm trying to be more. I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to be better. More selective with the trade I take. More patient. Wait for the A+ setups. Don't be dumb. Don't take risky trades. You need to understand. You can't work on the mental side if you don't understand, if you know what you're looking for every day. No, rip, that's true. That's true, but I wait for my A+ setups. Like yesterday, I waited the whole day for my freaking trade yesterday. Gold just fell 500 pips and went, what? Are you serious, Akash? I was losing, blowing my account regularly. You look at these charts long enough and something clicks and that's you're on your way. Curtis, how long did it take you out of curiosity? Hey guys, that would have been a 4-hour trade. Shoot, do I have to yodel? Not yet, I don't think. If you're swing trading, you will do 10 times better. Platforms do not allow this and force you to day trade only. Oh my gosh, Akash. Wow, your friend must be super happy right now. Sorry, Sasha. No, you don't. Sasha, you don't have to. You don't have to. That it's a lot of money. You don't have to do that. Please, I'll feel bad. Please, it was a fun bet. You really don't have to. I've missed something. The rips, there we go. Backtesting will help you on on that. Journaling and quantifying your setups will help you with your mental trust. Yes. I'll trade for over 3 weeks a couple months ago. Yeah. Oh, some guy. So this is going to be like a few weeks trade. So some guy, do you trade in between that out of curiosity? You trade to understand why you traded. What really expect before it happens. Interesting. Patiently awaiting. Good. Patience is the key to success. Thanks, user. Alright, our last slight hope remains. You have to assume distribution. Most people be in the 70-80% range. Valid. Moved on. My Mac. Just look at the volume. Okay, wait. 6 months before you started making any money. 9 months until it became life-changing. I'd lost about... Damn, Curtis. Okay. Oh, you're funny. Like, we all made these deals. We all learned very quickly to shut up. That's me half the time. I go, oh, damn, that would have been a goodie. Huh. Look at that. Oh, well. Let's just now start to learn what the right conditions are for this trade. To have a 4-hour trade's pretty good. Only swing trades. The week they're getting caught in a bad. I'll just hold you. Max, did I? Sorry, what did you ask? So I'm not too keen to scalp the 50-minute 4 hours after NPC at the moment after the big dump a couple weeks. Oh, okay, cool. Some guy. Leave no evidence. Damn. So do you wanna pop some money this way? Because damn, apparently you rolling. Opportunity is endless, but sometimes we need to take opportunity. Oh, Curtis, don't worry. There's been some days where I'm like, I need to go scream into a pillow. There's been a few days where I've like actually just banged my head on the table because I was like, I can't do this. Did it? Let me check quickly. Actually, you really didn't have to. No, wait, I'm being blunt. Oh, flip. Can anyone see if it went through? Sasha, you really... I feel low-key bad now. You really don't have to. Like, really. Really, really, really. There's some days where there's actual tears. Curtis, like I said, I get it. When one of the structure coins... Just confirm I look start sculpting again. Until then, just being patient, right? Some guy. Power of holding longs. Am I single or mingle? Well, I mean, I'm single if that, yeah. Abdish, hi, how you doing? Yeah, honestly, leave no evidence, damn. It's my long position, don't plan. Selling this market pumping with Trump's back. I mean, leave no evidence. Yeah, let's see. Right, actually going now. Catch you all at New York. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy. See you later. Oop, here we go. Here's that turnaround. Sabach. Oh my god. Well, Max, where do you live, my guy? Sabach, shoot your shot, effort. Oh gosh. Word up, wisdom, what's up? So I'm trading Nasdaq futures again, sorry. Trading is not for the faint-hearted. Nope. That's why you need to go gym, stay and focus and meditate. Also manifest. You have to be disciplined as well. Doing an amazing job. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's where my horses help a lot. You know, in between the trading days, just go to them, sit there, you know, focus, get a little bit of blood flowing. They make you question your life choices. They remind you of why you're doing this. Ah, Max, we're a little bit far, aren't we? Dash. Oh yeah, I know, honestly. Oh gosh. Word up, wisdom, what you busy trading? Hey, Wolfie 2, what's up? Now let's see if it wants that Asia mid. So you guys don't think it's gonna potentially want to take out Asia low first? I don't know why my brain is stuck on that, but I think it wants to take out Asia low first. Crypto and Australian stocks. Nice. And how's it going for you? Wolfie, you good? Only good? Not amazing? Not just the best? Hey Gen Z, how's it going? Oh. So not expensive. I don't know. Is it expensive? I feel like it's really expensive as a South African to travel anywhere. Oh. No, Sasha, you really don't have to. I feel really guilty now. Sasha, you don't have to do. What the heck just happened? Oh, it missed a minute. That's weird. Did anyone else's chart do that? What? It missed a minute there. That's not great, both here and on ES. Just my chart? Wolfie, I love cookies. Oh, nice. To be fair, so do I. Word up, wisdom. So I mean, I stick with Nasdaq futures for now because I've only been well, I say only. I know for some people it's a long time, but it just gapped. Okay, so that's a real thing. What does that tend to mean? It's gonna want to fill the gap. I'm assuming there was just a massive jump down. Yep. Oh no, Sully, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Max. I mean, my Insta's in my description. Definitely full. Okay. Diamante, but London Open hasn't really... Nope. London Open has started now. Let's see. Is it going to hit the Asia low and then go up for the Asia midpoint rip? Q-Rex, how's it going? See me gap if I'm correct. I'm not sure. Peter, it does not show. Yeah. Q-Rex, I wasn't in it. I didn't take it. I'm kind of forward testing this on days where it's a little bit more rangy. Instead of entering at 50% into where my stop loss was. I mean, this would have been a 4-hour trade. I don't know if I'll ever be brave enough to do it, but I'm slowly forward testing it. Is Sasha still here? Where did Sasha go? Sasha's left the chat. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. My dog's asked me to be let out. 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. Okay. Here we go. That's the key. Stick to with 1 or 2 each. My hands different ways. I'm a possible becoming expert in one thing. Curtis, yep, that's the plan. I have been curious about gold. Maybe, yeah, maybe one day. Super da-dum. Much big funds, even there's a gap, always comes back up or down. 50 gaps in less, just a value gap. Rensler, careful. What's careful? What's happening? Let's go all in with my F. Right up to 30. Thanks, Curex. Oh, my cheerleader's back. I've missed you, Curex. Who trades gold in the chart? I think a lot of people trade gold, I think. Word up wisdom. What's my... Oh. Damn. Thanks for all the subscribers. Curix is here for 5 minutes being my cheerleader and everyone's like, oh, right. Curix, you're amazing. Anyways. What's my trading style and my favorite setup? So my setup, not this. Let me show you yesterday's win. Here we go. So my setup is my GAN. I know it bugs a lot of people. Because it could be improved. It could be closer to the trade that I had today. Well, I forward tested. I didn't take it. Forward tested today with it being a 4-hour trade, but it's a 1 to 2 hour trade. I draw my Gann box. My entry's at 50%, so I go off of auction market theory. You know, a premium and discount. Entered in the discount zone, past the 50%. 2 hour up, win. Yeah, really, really good. And I try not to take. I'm trying really hard to be more selective with my trades as well. So this one I didn't take because it was still kind of in this range. I didn't like it. I wanted it to properly break out, and luckily I did. That would have just wicked me out. That would have sucked. I waited literally all day for my A+ setup. Here it was. And it was a win, so that was awesome. So this is the one I'm forward testing. I mean, theoretically, it could have been closer to a 5-hour strategy. I mean, it could have been a 5-hour strategy, but, you know, let's not be too greedy. Yeah, so I'm trying really hard to be better at only taking my A+ setups, not taking silly risks. You know, sometimes less is more. Curtis, you trade exclusively gold. The odd currency gold has been a literal gold mine the last 2 months. I've heard. Hey, Chris Colborn. Yeah, how you doing? God, my strategy is profitable all 3 years. Damn, Curix. Okay, that's amazing. And Curix, have you looked at other assets, or you just like, why would I? Gold's good. Young for a beep. I've heard. Hey, Web3 Wanderer, what's up? Curix, you're amazing. Oh, Butter, where have you been? I missed you yesterday. How are you? If it works for you, that's great. Simple's often the best. Yes, it only takes trades that you have conviction for. I like the restraint. That's keynote. Listen, this restraint has only come about this week. I say this week like it's not Tuesday, but yesterday I tried really hard. I mean, there were 3 trades I could have taken, but one, there was a bit of a liquidity sweep, so I didn't trust it to not pop further up, so it could have touched my stop loss. Second one was not an A+ setup at all, so I didn't take it. Third one, you saw it was kind of in that rangey bit, and then the fourth one was an A+ setup, and I took that one. Yeah. Rosemary, you're 98 years old. You have a YouTube channel. Damn. That's cool. Apple butter, you've missed out on gold. Looks amazing though. Apple butter, right? Boom, might go to bed. Yeah, you're not mitching. You're not missing much right now. Our second, what up? Dumbum? I'm not sure. I feel really mean saying your name. Guys, did Sasha disappear? I feel like Sasha disappeared and I feel bad. Sasha, come back. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm apologizing, but come back. Oh, super trader, that's very sweet. Let's hope. Right? That would be amazing. The Livingston? Right, yep. I haven't done much trade in the last 2 weeks, but my trades haven't been great, to be honest. Lots of losses. No! And Apple butter, where have you been? What's been happening? Boom Banana, I did not bully Sasha at all. I did not. I feel bad because they feel that they have to pay me 500 bucks where they really do not. at all. I said, no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But super trader, you super chatted? No, I can't see what it says. You silly billy thing. I lie, I can see what it says. Give me a second. I can do this. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, there we go. Super trader, I can see what it says. It just took a while to get itself together. Super trader, you're amazing. Thank you for the support. It's much appreciated. Yep, I'm not trading on profits. Rinsler, I'm so proud of you. That's amazing. That's amazing. Kathy, hi, what's up? Oh, that's gold. Got it. Got it. That's for gold. How many wins and L's this month? Oh, Root Beer Supreme. I'll have to go back and have a look. Probably a lot more losses than they should have been. Yeah. It's been a crazy month. I did also like change prop. When did I change prop? Hey guys, I took out the Asia low. I've been waiting for this. Now I don't know what to do with myself, but anyways. Oh, Curix, thanks guys. Apparently we're 3 likes away from 30. Let's make Curix happy. Not even me at this point. Let's make Curix happy. Boom, and I only bully you. I'm just saying. Yeah, Curix is apparently... No. This. Poor Sasha, like I said, I feel bad. About it, still trying to fix my car and other annoying things. Oh, I get that. I get that. Oh, Curix, I like that. Super Trader is the super legend. Mad love, Super Trader. The world above. Yeah, it's pretty obvious, isn't it? It's just flip. What's it called? Oh no, I forgot the name of it. Ooh, sorry. Forgot the name. Super Trader, you want to see Perry and Finn on Sunday? On Sunday? Why on Sunday? That's so specific. Super Trader, Superman. Oh, 1 more like till 30. Let's go, guys. Nakabamba, hi. Yeah, I can't complain. I mean, so far, it did what I wanted it to do. I haven't taken any trades though, because there's been nothing that's A+ and it's moving really slowly today. We did kind of fill this gap, just not all the way. I was waiting for it to take out the Asia lows, which it now has done, which means next up is potentially Asia high. Let's see, I have to check on a higher time frame, quick sticks. Grady, what up, Tea Leaf? I've never heard that before. What did you just clip? Oh gosh. I can't really just take my setup with me to the stable yard. That will be very, very difficult. Aw, Curix. You're a G, by the way. Thanks, Curix. 990 on NQ, short from, ooh, Thumper, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Right, Curix, the goat is definitely back. Wow. Curix, I forgot how good you are at this. Curix is my cheerleader. I love him madly. Daily pivot at 259.20. Sorry. My little nightmare. The 3D printed thing. So I like to fiddle with things, so my desk looks a little bit messy right now. What is this now? Popped into here, retraced properly. We're just gonna keep going down. Now we're just gonna tap into this order block. I don't think this is the shift. Holy moly, oh, we headed down here on the 1 hour. So this looks like support on ES at 6,900. Ooh, okay. So you think it's gonna go down to there, apple butter? The 9999301, nice milk. I can't be a milk, I don't have a... Ooh, I do, I have a fur baby. Damn, he would have bitten me if I had said that too loud. Ooh, this looks chaotic when that comes back. Anyways. It's gonna pop into there. Wow, today does not look great. That's how big. You think it'll sweep the 860s before any real move up? Really? You think so? I mean, there is a lot of liquidity chilling out here. A lot of liquidity. Let's see what happens. Do you want to only up by the discount? Hey, Justin, how you doing? Oh, awesome, Curix. Have an amazing day. Enjoy. I will see you tomorrow, maybe? Yeah? There we go. Do we think anything's gonna come off today? Just a 5-minute look. Wow, this is agonizingly slow. Actually, that's crazy. That made you vanish. Maya said you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, Sasha, it really does not have to do it. I feel... Yeah. Don't do it. Don't do it. I know, and he's disappeared now. I feel like I did something wrong. Oh well. Doing good. Prop from Eval continues. Yeah. Justin, how... Oh, actually, I'm scared to ask the question. How's it looking for you? Nakabamba, I'm really trying. I'm trying so hard to not let FOMO get the best of me, but this is literally just kind of meh right now. This would have been a good trade. This one here. I wasn't here for this one. Check out this one. That one would have been perfect. Damn, oh well. It is what it is. Here we go. Are we now going for the Asia highs? Eee! I'm kind of proud of myself. I did say it. I think it's going to take out Asia low first before it pops up. Self 5. I know that was very lame, but we're sticking with it. So gonna come fill the rest of this gap now. Ooh, Justin, well done. Solly, no idea. No idea. It missed a minute. For no well, I don't know if there was a reason. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying to stick. Like, I'm trying to stick to those rules. Curtis Door, I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not in anything at the moment. This is just, it's not ideal for my setup. Shoot. I don't know, these wicks. Oh, well, apple butter, there's that 900 level you were talking about. Let's see if this would have been a win. Again, I probably wouldn't have taken this because it just took out Asia low. I wouldn't have trusted this to go down. Thumper, here comes the break. You think so? Shoot, 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 shoot. Bug, go away. Aw, I feel bad. Do I feel bad? I do feel bad. To be fair, Sasha scared off themselves, but that's fine. Here we go. Need 45 real quick. 45. Did you get it? Whoop. Like I said, okay, so that would have been a break-even trade for me. Glad I didn't take it though. Like I said, this was not an A+. Ooh, pressed the wrong thing. Not an A+ setup for me at all. No, Diamante, what the heck, man? Probably a bucket load, Thumper. A bucket load. Hey, Chris Stafford, what up? How's it going? How you doing? Chris, what's gold at? Who's trading gold right now? How's it looking? The market is on the day high and low. That'll be super drop. Check the daytime. So you're trading now? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, that's why we're all quiet now. Yep. Wow, that's so mean. Oh well, it is what it is. Gold is on a steep decline and I'm loving it. Really, Curtis. I mean, out of curiosity, right now, Curtis, is it having a little bit of a push up? Maybe it's dropping down now, but did it have a tiny bit of a retest back up? Oh my gosh, these markets today are so slow. So boring. Curtis, just a pullback for sure. It's a pullback. Ooh, okay. I find it so interesting how gold and MNQ tend to do the opposite. So I mean, gold is now obviously climbing. We're having this little bit of a pullback now. And like you said, gold has been... Did I mix that around? Nasdaq has been climbing. There we go. Had a little bit of a retracement, and then I think it's going to continue back up. Really, Curtis? You think so? What gives you that idea? Just out of curiosity. It's slow, but it could break up or down here in a few. Let's see, apple butter. Let's see what its plan is. Like I said, it took out Asia lows. Now my bias has shifted to buys. I think it's headed for Asia highs, or at least Asia mid. Yeah, with Goldman. Okay, cool. Oh, damn, that was dark as hell. I don't have any gold. I don't actually have much of like value, especially when it comes to jewelry and stuff. I'm very meh. Like, I mean, I wear this chain and this bracelet, and that's it. That's basically everything I wear with regards to jewelry. All bankers moving to see there. Let's see if they push down now. Could consolidate here a bit. I mean, Thumper, it's been consolidating. Oh my gosh. Today's session has not been ideal. But that's fine, I guess. Right? I know. See? See how boring it is? It's put me to sleep. Nasdaq market, if I'm right, act like Apple market. Take a huge amount of time to break, but check the break handle if it appears. This money? Okay, let's see. Solly, right? Okay, cool. I was also like, that's a little bit dark as hell. So in theory, buy all the gold you can. No, you are terrifying. I don't have much value. Maya 2025. Yes, because I do not, Solly. I don't know, I guess the most valuable thing I probably have is my car. And even that, not great. Super trader, have I married? No. I forgot about that. Thanks, Diamante. Is that today? When is that, by the way? Oh, yep. It's today. No wonder. I forgot that there was news and stuff going on this week. Thanks, Diamante. I completely forgot about that. Luvitz, talk gold to me some more. I'll jot it down. No, Luvitz, because you're scaring me. Fatum, Curtis, fatum. Yes, we are kind of collapsing or something like that. Everything is on edge. Yeah, I've heard. Dark Shadow Vault. Ooh, very ominous name. Hi, how you doing? No. Yeah, don't be daft. Dark Shadowbolt, what do I think about SMC? You know, I think like everything, it works if you know how to execute it. Love it, that's some holy underwear. That was lame. I'm gonna stop talking for a second. I will put myself in a timeout because that was terrible. Terrible, terrible. Wasn't a perfect double top before midnight, but nice M pattern. Yes. Yes. Well, I mean, this... just so slow. Boom, why are you still awake? I thought you went to bed. Metalhead? Ooh. Metalhead, just because that is your name, I now need to know what songs do you listen to? Thumper, yep. Dark Shadowbolt, you're welcome. Any other question? That's them church pants, honey. Hey, Crypto Roach, how's it going? Is it at 4.6 now? Ooh, goodness. Okay. Yeah, we're getting up there, guys. You know what that means. I'll make the video. Maybe. Oh gosh. I don't want to lie and say I'll make it tomorrow. Maybe I'll have time to quickly make it tomorrow. On Discord, I put the poll up for the 5K challenge. For those of you that have been around, you guys know about the 5K challenge. I had the 5K challenge before I even had 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna do it. I gotta do it. I keep to my promises. Speaking of, I did ask about the sharks again. Still nothing. The weather's just not been ideal. I'll see the shark man. It's just the guy that works at the shark place. I'll give him another call and be like, yo, what's the shark situation? Mainly death metal, rock, and deathcore. I know, but what's your favorite band? Come on. Solid Boom Banana. Blocking the price number. Can I make my camera... Oh, am I blocking the price number? I'm sorry. It's my big head in the way. Oh, it is too. There we go. Is that better? Sorry. I'll move it a little bit. I'll have to squish it slightly and pop it over. Make it a little bit bigger. I'll get on that. The rip? Nope, not even a little bit, but... I mean, it's been a good day of chit-chatting and practicing patience. I guess, right? Do I analyze crypto too? If yes, is it ICT news or what? I'm just being curious. Sorry if my question sounds... Oh, Dark Shadow. That's cool. So I'm from South Africa. Boy. No, I haven't done crypto, sorry. So I use ICT and SMC concepts and I have my own little GAN box. These are the settings for it. If anyone was curious. But yeah, I have my own little GAN box. And now I wait for my A+ setups. And don't let FOMO win. But yeah, I use some ICT and SMC concepts as my confluences. And then I use market auction theory. Yeah. Curtis, no, I'm not in anything. Yeah, I'm not in anything. Because I've not had an A+ setup for it. I'm trying really hard. So sorry guys, I know it might be a little bit boring. I'm not going to be trading every single session or every single stream. This week, my main goal has to just, well, my main goal for this week, there we go, English, found it, nailed it, is to have only A+ setups that I trade, and stick with my rules, practice my discipline, there we go, I want to say dedication, I was like, that's the wrong English word, practice my discipline with regards to taking a trade, right? Because less is more. Instead of taking a lot of trades where, you know, maybe some win, some lose, but, you know, they're silly trades, not giving the strategy a very good chance, are we, if we're doing that? So only taking A+ setups, and unfortunately my setup does not work on super rangy days. So yeah, I'm not in any of these, sorry. I should do the Ushaka cage type. Yes and no, because I mean that's not real. Like, I know it's real, but it's not real. And to be fair, the cage dive with the sharks, I don't even. They almost don't want you to use the cage. They want you to be swimming with the sharks without a cage. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do that, but I might. I'm terrified. Don't get me wrong. Terrified. But it's an experience, right? Why did I do this again on ES? Did it, or did it just make a proper gap? What the heck? Apple butter? Is it just my chart? Did it make that gap on ES? Did it drop so quickly that it's made a gap? What about me, Metalhead? Okay, not as hardcore as that, but I mean, I like Bullet for My Valentine, Corn. Sure, I haven't actually listened to them in a while. It's quite sad. Who else? I was gonna Papa Roach. There we go. That was gonna drive me crazy. Not trading when it's not on is the right thing to do. You're literally doing the right thing. Thanks, Curtis. It's just really hard, right? Because FOMO, and you want to be trading, and but I know it's not ideal, so don't do it. It's not worth the risk. Luvit's more is more. No, it's not Luvit's. Oh my goodness. Solid, nice. Not many setups work in this. No, apple butter. I agree with you on that one. Cheers, Rip, enjoy. Yeah, sorry it was a tad bit boring today. Let's see what this afternoon brings with the news. Swimming outside cage means friendlier sharks. I'm assuming so. I'm assuming so. I don't know. It's called like black tip shark. I don't know if they are. It doesn't make a difference, and there's nothing wrong with using other strategies for confluences. Ooh, yeah, actually, young for a beep. That's valid. Luvit's what? Apple butter, it's not on your chart. Oh, no, okay, so maybe mine just had a mini meltdown there. Okay, cool. Interesting. Refresh, okay. Let's do this. Oh no, there we go. Nope, it's still there. What the heck? Huh. I wonder why. Why is this now up? What the heck? I did not put this up. Oh gosh. Okay, anyways, moving on. Ooh, Lubit's Led Zeppelin's also good. Pepper showing our age there. Last Resort was a banger. Right. Do not risk too much in the market this day. Yeah. Sam, don't worry. I'm not doing anything. Humante, you need 44. Ooh, okay, okay. I'm not even gonna look at it. Livitz, are you good today? My goodness. Ah, interesting. Diamante. I think she refreshed her entire software. Maybe. At this point, who knows? Be right back. I hear someone hooting. Give me 2 seconds. They were lost. Never mind. Man, I who doesn't love obscure hip-hop. Curtis, wow, that was something to read when coming back. Deftones put out a new album. Ooh. Ooh, Applebot, interesting. Does anyone listen to 21 Pilots? Sorry, this has now become the most random chat, but I mean, the charts are really not giving us much today, are they? And this is just rangy and meh. I'm gonna tap into it there. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Wow. Interesting. But no. Just wow. Ooh, it hit the shelf here. Oh, it hit the shelf here. This could be going back up now. I could be wrong. Wow, today is not great. Anywho, it's fine. Stressed out and ride 21 Pilot noise. Nakabamba? No, I think the move's gonna happen later after news. I see there's news scheduled for what time would that be? 10 a.m. EST time? So maybe this is just accumulating until then. No, I thought there was news today. Yeah. Is there not news today? I'm now confused. Oh, is it only mid? Okay, that's big one. Apple butter. Yeah, let's see. I mean, I'll hang around for another 15 minutes, but yeah, these are not ideal. Oh, interesting. maybe these conditions are ideal for my 4R setup. So not there. There. Maybe on days like this, I just start looking for 4R setups, which sounds weird and terrifying in the chop, but let's see here. Where would I have even put this one? No, that would have been there. Oh my gosh. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4R trades? What? That doesn't seem right. What the heck? Okay. Post trade idea in general. Oh, thanks, Stamper. I'll go have a look-see. Curtis, don't know how Nasdaq behaves, but if it was a gold chart, it would have bought about 3 minutes ago. What, at this wick here? Or what would have been your... Which candle would have been your confirmation, Curtis? Hey! Malico, how's it going? Sorry. I was on Cuba vacation. I was tossing $20 balls off the balcony. Curtis. Oh, okay. What comes up must come down. Blue nose pity, yep. Honestly, Solly, what the actual heck? Some people are wild. Absolute insanity, but it's fine. But wait, Curtis, do you market in? Or do you have a limit, or what's your thing? What do you do? And to answer your question of you don't know how Nasdaq behaves, Nasdaq is a diva. I think that's all you need to know. Nasdaq's just a freaking diva. Super Trader, which is my favorite movie? I don't even know if I have a favorite movie. Like, you have to be a little bit more specific, like favorite movie, like action, comedy, animation, are you talking anime series? But, you know, who knows? Hey, Big V, how's it going? So, I don't know what you're talking about. This is fantastic. We're having such a fun time right now. I'm gonna have to start forward testing this. In choppy conditions, is the 4R strategy the way to go? Literally all I'm seeing are wins on the 4R strategy. Well, up until here, this now would have been a loss if I'd taken this range. This is something I'm gonna have to backtest though, properly. But I don't know if I would have taken this because, like I said, it hit my target point over there. So then I guess theoretically I wouldn't have taken this one either. No? No, I would have. Sorry. Now I'm looking at longs. Solly, you're a market order master. Oh, Solly, I can't do it. I can't do it. Props to you. I can't do it. I watch anime. Of course I do. No, not uwu. We're not uwuing. Flip. Gold is pretty trend heavy. Everything is showing up on your charts, long term and short term. And keep bouncing off around that level. If it was gold, it's a strong buy. That's why I was like, maybe I should have a look at gold, because gold just looks more predictable. Hey, hey! Maybe I should have just listened to myself and had a limit buy over here. Place my stop loss and just let it run until Asia high. I don't know if that's super ambitious. Let's see if that would have worked. I'm kind of curious about this now. Oh, Doc Shadow, welcome back. Sorry. I have not seen Naruto, sorry. But I've just watched, oh my gosh, what have I just watched? Ah, there we go. Attack on Titans. Very, very cool. Can I repeat my strat? Yeah, so this is not my strat. This is something I have to forward test where my entry is at the 0.2 level, and then it's a 4R trade, which is very good. My normal strategy that I use, you can see an A+ setup yesterday. That was a win. Here we go. Markin. Anyways. Market. There we go. English. Nailed it. Market auction theory. Entry at the 50% 2R up. So this is a 1 to 2R strategy. Draw from bottom of the range to top of the range. I've started to use the 5-minute for my range. It tends to work better if I use the 5-minute for my range. Yeah, entry. I need at least 3 confluences. At least. Then it's an A+ setup, and you can see I drew my shelf. I call it a shelf. Shelf here, at a fair value gap here as well. There was a very decent order block that was higher up, especially on the 5-minute, and market structure pushing up. I was like, cool, this is a goodie. Oh, sorry, this was also an inverse fair value gap. Sorry, that's what I marked there. It was an inverse fair value gap as well. Yeah, that was the A+ setup. So that's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. I'm looking at the 4-hour strategy on choppy days. Looks like it would work really freaking well. I'm just gonna have to backtest this one. Yeah, I'll have to backtest it. Hey Melvin, how's it going? I think you're looking for continuation trades on gold as trending market. Solly, I agree. But against Bitcoin though. You've been dealing with that. You gotta give platinum a try. You just have to have good risk management and know your strategy to a T. Young Pro beats? Okay, why? What makes platinum tricky? Buy that. I hate to be a backseat, but I've just gone through all my checks. That's a strong buy. Curtis, yeah, this does look like a goodie. I just don't know if I'm gonna have enough time for this one today. Starting next week, I'm gonna have to change my streaming times, seeming as, you know, daylight savings kicks in. So trading, well, London Open's gonna happen a little bit later for me in South Africa. This is a good one. I just don't know if it's going to come this far back down. Double tap into resistance around here. Is it going to come back down? Ah, made myself cringe. Backseat trading is the worst ever. Curtis, don't worry. That's why you're here, right? I'm here to learn. There's no micros for platinum. No, not yet, Solly. I'm on 49696.94. Yeah. I mean, it's climbing. I was at like 48. Not exactly 48, but you know, I was in the 48s. Kurt, that's okay. At least you didn't bet 500. Right. And I haven't even seen the 500. Sasha here lying. Oh well, it's fine. David should be able to short M&Q down to the bottom from here if following short-term trend. Okay. Gold will only go up and be safe bet for long-term. Long gone now. You can't get anywhere near that now till another setup. Yeah. See, and that's fine, right? Let's see, maybe New York brings some better price action. Aw, thanks, Chris. I appreciate that. It's good to have some good chat, right? Amazing community, good chats, good people. I love it. There's so much gold on this planet, but it's being monopolized. When they... Oh, hello. I'm free gold. Ooh, Big V, you think so? David, no, I did not get into torture. Oh, Curtis, I appreciate that, but sometimes I feel like But I appreciate the confidence you have in me. Because sometimes, like I said, I'm like, oh, how does this look? Is this buy move over? Have we shifted to the upside? It's broken there. Hit this resistance. Made a double tap there. Hey, Vujay, how's it going? Oh, I feel like it's a little bit risky today. It's a little bit risky today, so I think I'm gonna sit on my hands. I'll leave this up. Let's see if this would have been a win. Like I said, I don't hate this trade, but is it an A+ trade? Not really. This is like maybe a B trade, but it's not an A+ trade. Oh, Curtis, yeah. Big B, they can't make it in a lab. Why not? Blue Nose Pity, why can't they make gold in a lab? Livecraft, how much money do I put in a future trade? Like, are you asking per trade how much I risk? I tend to risk around $200. I know some of you will think that's a lot, but meh. The problem is, for a little bit, I wasn't risking that amount. I was risking random amounts, and that's what then started to screw me. Like, I would have a day where I actually had more wins than losses, but because the loss I had put more cons in, it was a red day. But I'd actually had more wins for that day. Yeah, very annoying. Lab grown diamond. Turn water into wine and make bread multiply. So sounds like we didn't need money as much as the rest of us. Damn, David. Damn, David. But yeah, flip. I could make water into wine. They made it, so it wouldn't surprise me, but I think if they could, China would have poured every cent they got into it. Huh. Jesus also says that unless you repent, so now you'll be destroyed. I'm gonna say no, I can't do it. I was gonna say something that's super super controversial, so I'm just gonna shut up. I'll just gonna shut up because I think it will upset a bunch of people, so I'm just gonna keep quiet. Livecraft? I'm actually not sure. Really? That's weird. Wi-Fi's not bad today. I don't think it's my Wi-Fi today. I hope not. Oh my gosh. Jose, that's exactly it. We're keeping professional here. Said for okay, I'll say it in Discord, but I won't say it here. I will definitely upset people, so I'm gonna keep quiet. Oh, look at the time. I actually do have to go now, guys, but that was a bit of a bummer of a day. Sorry, guys, that was super chill. But now I knew on days like this, let's properly start forward testing this 4R strategy. Because how cool would that be? 4R strategy on rangy days. Like I said, what's this? 4, I mean, theoretically 5 winning. Yeah, 5 winning 4R trades. That's ridiculous. I wouldn't have to trade anything else for the rest of the flipping week. I'd be done. Kurt, just pop me an email. I can send you a Discord link. Oh my goodness, okay. Things have gotten crazy just in time for me to say bye-bye. Okay. You guys were awesome. We've now, yeah, come to the debating side of things, I see. Anyways, I'm gonna call it there for today. I think if it's rangy again today, I'm going to properly forward test this 4R strategy, because how amazing would that be? I think that'll be so cool. I'm super keen. I'm super excited for it. So let's see. Hopefully New York brings some decent trades. Fingers and toes and everything else crossed. Let's do this. Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, we're going to be forward testing. Maybe if I'm feeling brave, I'll pop one trade in, maybe just with like one con or something like that. But I love you guys madly. If you want to support, if you're with any of the prop firms mentioned in my description, that'd be amazing. You could just use my code, get a discount, help out the channel, help me out. It would be super, super cool. But I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me. I know it was a super boring day, but always good conversations, always an amazing community. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you for the New York session. Yeah? Okay. I love you. Bye.